Hello everyone and welcome to this third tutorial in the short series of fractal modelling tutorials in Cinema 4D with MoGraph. Today we will be modelling this, the T-square fractal. Now technically this is a two-dimensional fractal, but it does translate into three dimensions very easily and very well. Its construction is very similar to the Cantor dust which I did in the previous tutorial, but it's got a couple of extra steps. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a cube with the dimensions 111 millimeters. Like all fractals in Cinema 4D, it's a lot easier to start small and get larger rather than divide a larger object into smaller ones. Press H on the keyboard to zoom into the cube, and then with the cube selected, insert a cloner object whilst holding Alt to instantly make the cube a child of the cloner. And then what I'm going to do is change the cloner from linear to grid array, count to 2, and the size to 2. And this gives us these 8 cubes. Now the last step in making the first iteration of the T-square fractal is to make a new cube, and for this I'll just drag out my original, and double the dimensions to 2 millimeters. And then the next step is to make the cloner object a child of the large cube, and then to control drag the cloner object to make a new copy of it and delete the cube that was inside it. And then double these dimensions to 4 and put this cube inside the new cloner. And again, like before, I'm going to control drag out a new cube, and this cube needs the dimensions of 4 millimeters. And there we go, that's the second iteration of the T-square fractal, and it is literally just like the Cantor dust. It's a case of lather, rinse, repeat, control drag the cloner, put the cloner into the cube, control drag the cloner, delete what's inside it, double these dimensions, 888, and then pop the old largest iteration inside the new cloner. And then to make the cube in the center, copy out the cube, and it needs double the last dimensions, which again is 8 millimeters. Put the cloner inside the cube, and there we go, that's the third iteration. It really is as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, even though it was very short. I hope you can see again the implications of this method of modelling. If you like the tutorial, please leave me a comment, and if you didn't like it, leave me a comment. Thanks very much. Bye.